Hi. How do you feel? Did you miss Janet? Oh, you miss her? Very much? Really? You do? No? She will be back. Yeah, she will. She will. Trust me, she will. So, will you be good? Yeah? You're okay? No? Why not? Okay, so you're not okay. Okay. Do you want a treat?